Today we're going to answer commonly asked questions. Are sit-ups good for my back? So the long answer is that they aren't, but there's a lot more to it, so let's get into it. My name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I help people to remove the blockages from their health to lead amazing, fantastic lives without drugs and surgery. If you or someone you know is looking to do that, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, if you know someone who's asked you this question, forward this video along to them so they can get the right information. So now sit-ups, they're done in a variety of different ways and different fashions. But what the main premise and focus of a sit-up is to wind up strengthening the core. And in some cases, strengthening the core is really important. However, it's really important to know when to wind up doing this. For some people, they'll wind up just doing sit-ups right out the bat as the first part of their workout. And what I've really found is that's not a good idea. Sit-ups, when you do them as a cold exercise, wind up working on some really, really small and fine muscles. And when we're working on small and fine muscles, we wind up fatiguing them. So then if you do another workout, or if you do too many exercises at one time, you've really wound up breaking down these muscles. That should be an end of the workout exercise. The reason I like them more, particularly at the end of a workout or as an add-on, is because we've got to work on some of the big muscles in our body. If our goals are to increase muscle mass, increase fitness, increase strength, then we really have to work on the bigger muscle groups in our body. What the research shows is that if we wind up just increasing the amount of human growth hormone that's created, and that happens when you wind up breaking down muscles and lifting weights, then we can wind up overall increasing our fitness levels overall without having to work every tissue, every muscle in your body. It's pretty amazing. So the keys and the biggest muscle groups in the body actually wind up being the leg muscles. So if we're just getting into workouts and we want to see an overall increase in muscle mass, we've got to be sure to work out our legs. Our legs wind up being a foundation for how we wind up building up. And we've got to do, I always like to start with doing body weight exercises. So that winds up looking like proper form squats and lunges so that we can build those muscles and make them strong. Once we've gone through and done a workout and fatigued some of the larger muscles, as well as gotten the body to start breaking down tissue and creating the human growth hormone, then we can get into more specific, smaller muscle groups like the abs and doing sit-ups. But I think they should be more later on in a workout. Once we've woken up all the body, the blood flow is going through it so that the smaller muscles as well as the larger muscles wind up getting blood flow. If you've got questions about where or what you should do in terms of sit-ups, feel free to write them down below. I do my best to answer all the questions that are in our chat so that you can make the best decisions about developing your health and living a life of optimal health and well-being. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.